In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorite channels on FuboTV. First thing you need to do is you just need to head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and then proceed to search right there for Fubo. So from in there, search, and then if an install option or get option is available, make sure to click on it in order to install this particular app. So once you have installed this, you just need to favorite the channels that you want. So I have right here this article that can help us. So you can see right here your actual preview of the Fubo TV. So what you can do is you can just select the device type and details on how to favorite or unfavorite a channel. If you have it on your smart TV, you can just click on the guide screen on the Fubo app and you can see right here all the channels that you have. You just need to highlight the channel and press OK or enter on your device remote and it should be able to open right here this right sidebar. You have the option to play the channel and you can also see right here the option to add this to your favorites. Make sure to click on this and after that it will be added to your favorites. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.